Hey there, I'm Morgan from Teachable, and today we're going to be talking about why bloggers should create an online course. I've been a blogger for over 4 years now, and in that time I have seen so many of my friends go from, making a decent income with their blogs to replacing their full-time income times 10, all because they created an online course. To make money blogging, it's definitely important to have multiple income streams, and if you want to make a living blogging, I highly recommend making one of those income streams selling your own product. And for the purpose of this video, of course, we're going to be talking about selling an online course. First, let's talk about why bloggers are the perfect candidate for creating an online course. And the first and probably the most obvious is they already have an audience in their niche. This is so valuable because some online business owners are going to spend months building up that audience. That way they can finally launch their online product, sell their online course, and finally make money from all the hard work they've put in. But bloggers already have an audience primed and ready to buy. Being a blogger means you've established yourself as an expert in your niche. People visit your blog because they trust you and they trust what you have to say, and they're already going to be primed to buy from you. Second, bloggers are already expert content creators. This one is especially important because so many people have so much trouble creating the content for their online course. They're experts in their area, they know how to teach people, but taking that knowledge and bringing it in an online format is where people get a little bit stuck. But bloggers are great at taking their ideas and putting them online. So creating course content is usually a breeze for most bloggers. And third, bloggers can easily validate their online course ideas just by looking at their analytics. Presumably, we're going to say you've created at least 25 blog posts at this point. See which ones performed the best, which ones have the most page views, the most comments, the most people asking questions or engaging. Those posts are the ones that are likely to be really successful as online courses. Now let's talk about why bloggers should create an online course. And the first thing, and the most important in my opinion, is it gives you total control of your income. As a blogger myself, I know how income can fluctuate like crazy month to month. One month, all of the brands want to work with you. You're getting a huge rate for your sidebar ads, and then the next, crickets. And that can be endlessly frustrating, especially if you're relying on your blog for, your bills or your rent, or you're saving up for a vacation. But when you create your own online product, you have a lot more control over when you're launching, who you're launching to, how you're launching, and you can predict your income a lot easier than if you're just relying on people clicking affiliate links or brands wanting to work with you. Second, online courses are evergreen products. You create them once and you can make money from them again and again and again. About a month or two back, I created a video all about different types of launches. You have evergreen and open close. And in that video, I kind of pushed people to do an open close launch. But if you're a blogger with a huge engaged audience and you're always getting new traffic, you can keep your online courses evergreen and have a shop tab in your sidebar. And whenever anyone lands on your site, there's a chance they'll click and buy. Now, if you're a smaller blogger, you don't have a ton of traffic, open close launches still might be right for you, but that's just something to consider. Finally, online courses can take you from having an audience to having fans. I have seen this happen time and time again. Take me, for example. In college, I set a goal to make enough money through my blog that I could take care of all my expenses and I didn't have to get a part-time job. So I was reading the Nectar Collective religiously, and Melissa Griffin put out a course called The Blog Hive. I bought it, I saw great results. That's actually how I found out about Teachable, by the way. And now I am a lifelong fan of Melissa. Anything she says, I believe. Anything she sells, I'll probably be interested in buying. If you can really deliver results for people, they're really going to appreciate that, and they're probably going to stick with you and your business for a very long time. So now let's talk about how you can promote your online course with your blog. This is kind of fun because you already have this marketing machine built and ready to go. The first thing you can do is look at your backlog of posts and see which ones are relevant to your online course and where you can sneakily put links to your online course in. For example, if you are creating an online course on fermenting your own food, you're a food blogger, and you have 4 different recipes that use sauerkraut, you can say if you don't want to buy your own sauerkraut, you can make it, buy my online course to find out how. Or, you could have a post about your favorite kombuchas and be like, well, my favorite kombucha is the one I make myself my own fermentation station, buy my online course, and I'll teach you how to create kombucha and 8 other fermented foods. You should also be offering free resources or lead magnets on your blog so people can sign up for your email list and you can market to them that way. I've said it before, but your email list really is going to convert higher than any other thing you own because you're reaching people directly in their inbox, and if those people are anything like me, they're probably checking their inbox 10 times a day. Finally, and probably the most simple, is add a little shop tab to the navigation bar on your website. Chances are most people won't click it, but the people who do might buy, and it's better to have it there and only get, a sale a week than not have it and miss out on those 4 sales a month. So just a few little tips for you. If you're a blogger, let me know in the comments what you blog about and what ideas you have for creating your online course. I'd be happy to bounce ideas back and forth with you. You can also let me know in the comments what type of video you'd like to see next. Otherwise, we'll be back next week with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!